I know you've been you were waiting for this for a long time. Was it what you'd hoped for?
It was.
Yeah.
You know, we talked about this earlier, how 14% of the sun, that was all that was visible at the time of totality for us, how it could still bring us so much light.
It was light. There was this very weird tint of darkness. It wasn't dark per se,
but
grayness to the earth, but it was still pretty bright outside.
And we talked also about before the eclipse that the temperatures would probably drop during the peak time, and it did drop 6 degrees.
Felt
in
nice.
Norfolk International.
It did.
So, yeah, it was pretty cool. Went from 90 to 84.
Yeah,
so
very
pretty cool stuff.
All right,
let's talk about the tropics now, because that's going to shift our focus here over the next couple of days. We have 2 areas of concern to watch. One over the Yucatan Peninsula, which is the remnants of what was Harvey. Right now, just called a tropical wave, but it has been strengthening and organizing itself. Right now, it's about to move over land, very mountainous region there, but we're really not going to get too concerned until it reemerges in the Bay of Campeche and the southern Gulf of Mexico, and then it heads northwestwards, possibly towards the southeastern coast of Texas by week's end there. So we'll watch that as that unfolds. Also, another wave here that's just off the coast of Florida. This is going to move generally off to the west and drift towards Miami. Not going to strengthen very much, so we're not too concerned with this, but it will bring a lot of rain to southern Florida over the next couple of days. Here closer to home, you can look out from our Skyview camera and notice a little bit of a haze out there. That's some ground fog that's been developing here over the last few hours. Our temperatures have fallen back into the 70s, meeting up with the dew points. Air's at saturation, so we have a few areas of fog out there, just like the last couple of mornings we've seen. Hot and humid this afternoon, though. Heat indices well over 100 degrees. Cold front arrives, though, tomorrow afternoon and evening. That brings us some storms, but behind that front, a blast of cooler, less humid air for the remainder of the week and right through the weekend. In fact, I think it's going to be some of the best weather we've seen so far this summer. High pressure sitting off the coastline today that's driving our winds in out of the south, pushing our temperatures up as well as the humidity, and we combine those and we'll see it feeling like 100 or hotter today. 76 already out the door, 75-degree dew point, so there we go, some areas of fog. Down to a half-mile visibility in Chesapeake, 3/4 of a mile now in Suffolk, and 1.5 miles down in Ahoskie. Temperatures and dew points today going to push those real field numbers way up into the 100s as we get past the lunch hour today. 101 to 103, a good possibility, possibly some areas a little bit higher than that. Cloud-wise, though, real lack of it through at least much of the mid-morning hours into early afternoon. A few fair weather cumulus clouds may develop with the heating of the day, but aside from that, we're looking good and dry. Tonight, we fall back into the mid to upper 70s, very muggy and uncomfortable. Tomorrow, we start off briefly with some sunshine, quickly giving way to increasing clouds as a cold front dives in from the north and west. Interacting with the warm, humid air in place, we see some storms developing there. Some have the potential of being on the stronger side. Storm Prediction Center not too concerned about this. They put us under the marginal Tier 1 threat here for all of Hampton Roads. I think the time frame for that's going to be after 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And then behind it, look what comes in on the heels of that front. Temperatures in the 80s on Thursday and Friday, 70s on Saturday and Sunday. What makes these numbers even better is that the humidity will fall with them as well. So we'll be down in the 50s for our dew points. Going to feel really fantastic out there. 93 today, mostly sunny, hot and humid. Tonight down to 76, mainly clear and very muggy overnight. And there's your 7-day forecast. Big drop in temperatures for the end of the week and the weekend. Nice and dry and sunny as well. Weekend plans look phenomenal.